One needed a chusni pass.
Somebody is saying he just need a chusni, okay? Yes, nipple, yes. Okay, anybody else wants to share his routine or whatever? I mean, if you have something valuable or whatever you want to add, okay? If you want to speak about something, please go ahead.
I have
What?
this one.
What is this?
His heart.
No, what?
Heart.
So you have, where is your heart? Not in your chest, it is out.
This is not my heart.
Oh, so you are talking, this is my heart.
No.
Why?
This is the thing. This is the stone
Oh,
heart.
give him the mic, please. What is it?
This is the stone heart, and this is thing. This thing is my thing.
Okay, not thing, it is thing. So this belongs to you, okay?
Yes, this is belongs to me.
What is it actually? I mean, if you can show us what is it is, if you can explain a little bit.
Okay, this thing is I am making previous day because I have a lot of time and I can waste my time of this thing and this is I really like the stone things and sculptures and paintings because my big sister she's making other things so I can see in TikTok the one person who makes the horse and I have not big rock so I can make this.
So you made this, okay?
I made this.
Okay, you, I mean, actually carved the stone
Yes.
and made a heart out of that.
Yes.
Okay, it's your passion and
This
you
is
like it.
Yes, of course
Okay,
I like
go ahead
it
with
this
it.
because
Okay,
I
that was
have
something
lot
else.
of
That was an exotic episode. Okay, do you want to add something to it?
yes of
Okay,
course
okay,
I
go
have
ahead.
I have
You want to talk about it? Okay.
other and more than more topics to
Okay.
talk.
Tell us about the
Because-
topic, then we will choose which topic you should talk about.
Okay, first my hat cap.
Okay, put it on
Okay.
so that we may have a look.
Gun.
Very good.
I know.
Play for him.
One needed a chusni pass.
Somebody is saying he just need a chusni, okay? Yes. Nipple, yes.
Yes, because I
A
am
feeder, yes.
I am the little brother of my siblings.
Don't get angry, man.
Green banana.
No, why are you getting angry?
Okay?
Why are you getting angry?
No, I'm not angry. This is my
Style.
yes, of course, style.
Okay. So what do you want to tell us about your this kind of cape? I mean, it's very good.
This is my mother's make for me, and I really like to tolling this and
To what?
this
To wear
wearing
it.
wear
Yeah, to
it.
put it on
Put
or to
it.
wear it. Okay.
Okay, not told,
What?
told.
Told?
It means wear told. Same
No,
not?
no. Told mean batana.
Okay.
Okay. Wearing a cape, or you can say putting on a cape. Okay. Putting on is a perfect
Okay.
word. Okay. You can say putting on a hat.
And I was really like to putting this
Okay.
on my
so,
hat
absolutely.
because
so why did
my
you remove it? Put it
because this is
It is running on charge.
no
So
this
it will
is
get out of charge.
this is too hot and this is
Okay. It's too hard.
yes,
Of course. Very good.
so I can in this class
Yes.
I go back and I can wear it.
Yes, you can put it on while you are on the bike, okay?
Yes.
Then you can use it. Otherwise, it is too hard.
Yes,
okay,
of course.
To be used. Okay. Anybody
and-
else wants to add something? Anybody has anything? To
Sir, sees that guy. He's